because we don't have enough toys in the bath. We are stealing colors. Yep, water's off. You ready for the bath? Look at all the curlers floating. Oh yes, 2 more. You ready for the bath? You gonna hop in? You trying? Can we take your shirt and your diaper off first? Okay, hold on. Girl. You want them? What about him? They're all going in? All of them? Even the little duck? What about the frog? Who is that? Who is that? Who's that? Who is that, Megan? Is that Dora? That's Dora, yeah. That's your new Dora. Okay. Where'd he go? We got him. Hey. Is he swimming? What's he doing? Shaking? Yes, that would take